Forming the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers. Forming the greatest number. To form the greatest 4-digit number, using the given digits only once, arrange the digits in their descending order. Example: form the greatest 4-digit number using the digits 2, 3, 1 and 9 only once. Solution: the descending order of the digits is 9, 3, 2 and 1. Thus, the greatest 4-digit number that can be formed from the given digits is 9321. Forming the smallest number. To form the smallest 4-digit number using the given digits, arrange the digits in their ascending order. Example: form the smallest 4-digit number using the digits 5, 7, 9 and 3 only once. Solution: the ascending order of the digits is 3, 5, 7 and 9. Thus, the smallest 4-digit number that can be formed from the given digits is 3579. When one of the given digits is 0, to form the smallest number, put 0 at the second place from the extreme left. Then fill the remaining places from left to right by writing the remaining digits in ascending order. For example, the smallest 4-digit number formed using the digits 1, 9, 0 and 2 is 1029 and not the number 0129.